Hello, welcome to our channel. So this is Julfika. How are you? In today's lesson, we are going to teach you some important vocabulary for your IELTS writing text 1, right? In the IELTS writing text 1, when you need to show the graph is in the highest and the lowest point, then you have to use some different words and accurate position, right? So let's see what the words and how you need to write. Let's get started. So guys, we have some word here to show the highest and the lowest point of the graph, right? To show the highest and the lowest point of the graph, right? So these vocabulary are very important for you, and if you want to show the graph is in the highest point, then we have here some word, right? We have here some word for the buffs and some word for the verb, right? So let's see what verb we present for the highest point. We have peak, right? We have peak. We have climax. We have reach, a peak, right? Touch the highest point. These are phrasal verbs, right? Reach the vertex and culminated, right? So these words are going to use instead of highest point, right? If you want to show the graph is in the highest point, then you need a word to write as a verb, then you can use this word, right? So let's see in the noun form what kind of the word we have present here. We have some words such as touch the peak, hit a vertex, get a vertex, get the highest point, right? So these words are going to use in a noun position, right? If you want to show the graph is in the highest point, but the word what you need is as a noun, then you have to use any of these words. Then the examiner will recognize that your essay writing is an academic essay, right? So let's see how we write academic writing, right? By using these words. Let me pick one word from here. Let's choose this one, right? The word for reach a peak, you can make a sentence. For example, price of the wine reach, right, a peak. Amount in $10 in February, right? So this one is how you need to write as an academic essay, right? So these sentences are called academic sentences, right? So let's see what vocabulary for us to show the lowest point of the graph, right? To show the lowest point of the graph. We have also the same here. We have verb forms and the noun forms, right? To show the lowest point, we have divided the words into two forms, verb forms and the noun forms. So let's see what the words are here in the verb form, right? In the verb form, we have some phrasal verbs. For example, touch the lowest point, get the lowest point, right? These are the phrasal verb, right? And for the noun positions, we have some word here. The lowest point, the lowest mark, bottommost point, or you can say bottommost mark, right? Rock bottom point. You can also use rock bottom point. So if you want to show the graph is in the lowest point and you need a word as above, right? So for the above, we have this word, right? So you have to recite this word and try to make by using your own sentences. So let me show for you one example here. How we write. Student enrollment in a foreign university as such the lowest point of over 20,000 in 2000, right? So the word what we use is this one, touch the lowest points as above, right? This one, touch the lowest point, right? So I let you recommend to write one example for every words here, right? So I hope you understand these lessons, and if you like this video, please put a thumbs on the like buttons and share to your friends, family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, right? So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.